Hello and welcome as we head into Friday, the 10th day of March 2017. My name is Derek. Welcome. Let's take a look at silver and the Bitcoin chart as this trend is obviously finished. The rate of descent for this one early on is, of course, straight down at this point. I'm unable to put the graphics on the top of the screen due to unusual technical difficulties that I hope to be able to fix. As the program won't let me put the data in, they'll let me put the chart images in, but they won't let me put the basic data in. I can't figure that out. But with that being stated, let's continue on within the chart straight down, due for a bounce. And normally, when you have a situation like this and you break support, you're going to establish resistance, but you don't usually go down this much. Although in silver, I guess, with the way the markets move because of who's in control, you can't be all that surprised. It does mean that when you now move up to this band, you're going to be less optimistic that it's going to be able to break above it, or you be optimistic it would become resistance and then at least test whatever the next low happens to be, because it does seem as if it's now going to be making a play for the 16 and 3/4 area into the Fibonacci point, either straight down, which is the most likely event, and what happens when support's there, we'll wait and see, but usually you'd make a bounce up to this key point. And when support's not found at a key level, then you can get either resistance at the point or a fast move to the next one. Well, there's no resistance here, so it looks like it's the continuation towards this level here. When we move this on now to the Bitcoin chart on its daily time frame, since it's had its move down, it's a different story because right now the market has been moving a little bit sideways in towards this band. This band is flat, so it's a correctionary phase within what has been this run in here. There has really been no multi-day corrections since back in here. So a week time correction, or a multi day time correction, or even a little bit further price correction is, you could say, due for it, because the last one was in here. As this one here was a little price correction, but it only happened in one day, and the trend got rebounded within such as it recaptured within the band from this point. But so far, of course, it had its top here and a little bit of a price move down towards there. So now we're going to look at this on the 2-hour chart, which will focus on this key low and the 1295 highs. And this is the 2-hour chart, which has a key Fibonacci from this high and this low. And within such, we can see that it's been resisting the first key level. So therefore, what we can assume from this point moving forward is it's going to have to break the range at some point. So breaking this range to the upside will mean a move towards this point in here, roughly at around 1235. I'd be looking for a play to go up to, and then test that resistance area there, where the most likely event would be some sort of correction either through price or time. And then breaking down below here on this point here within the band, then you're going to be testing what will be the 61.8% level first, which would be around here, and then the previous low and down towards here. And then breaking this low, you'd have to expand it to the daily time frame. We're talking about coming down in here. As far as the crypto trading is concerned, I'll probably be putting out a quick little view of all 80 codes on the Poloniex website in probably Friday afternoon. I have completed 69 of the 80, and the main 11 ones I'm going to do Friday morning. So I'm going to try to have that available for Friday afternoon. And thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.